To upgrade from iOS 18 to iOS 26 on iPhone, go to the settings, open General, select Software Update. Make sure automatic update is on. Here it gives you two options. One is to keep upgrading iOS 18.7, but if you would scroll all the way down to the bottom, you could see the hidden upgrade to iOS 26 is also available. So instead of just keep upgrading iOS 18, you could jump straight to iOS 26. So tap on upgrade to iOS 26 and then select update now. You would have to enter your passcode and then agree terms and conditions. So tap on agree again, and then it will start updating. Because it's a big jump, it's gonna take a long time for the upgrade to complete. So leave your phone and carry on with your day-to-day life. Obviously, if your battery is low, make sure your iPhone is charging. Once the upgrade is completed, wake up your iPhone and then swipe up. And then once again, enter your passcode, unlock any of your SIMs, and then you should get the message saying software update complete. Tap on continue. If you don't want to share your iPhone usage to Apple, then tap on don't share. Now it's gonna show you a demo of the changes, which is basically everything. So you can look at it in your own time and then tap on continue. And finally, you will get a welcome. To finish it, tap on get started. You could now see the whole user interface is changed, and most importantly, all the buttons and settings of your camera is also changed. Action center is also changed, and everything looks more transparent.